What's up, guys? Pandora, the postcard diva here. Happy Thankful Thursday. Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor. Smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos for everybody else. Welcome back. If you haven't checked out my projects to see what I got going on, go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. You're going to come to this page, kind of peruse around, check out my projects. All right. So we're back. We're going to do a quick, just an update on my #1 digital marketing program. Okay. For 2025, it's the #1 interactive digital marketing program. So Legacy Builder program, you can check it out here at www.coffeeandcoins.info. Just click this image and opt in and check things out. So Legacy Builder, okay, launched last year of 2024, March of 2024, the end of March. So they're right upon their 1-year anniversary. All right. So what they're doing here at Digital Growth Community is they're going to be launching what they call Legacy Builder 2.0. All right. And it's going to be coming pretty soon here. They did a sneak peek preview for all the Legacy Builder program members. All right. If you own the $900 program, it's in the replay is in the Kabaji system. Okay. So anyway, you can go there even if you don't own it. I believe you can just go in there and check it out, the replay. But what they mentioned, the Legacy Builder $900 membership, they're going to have going forward is these certifications you're going to get, because you know we have the resale license right now to resell the program and earn 100% commissions, right? So they're going to actually give you now going forward a reseller license certification, a certificate. That's going to be a part of the 2.0 new launching. Okay, it's going to be exciting. Now the only people that can get that are going to be the members that own the $900 program. All right, so a lot of new updates, a lot of new things are going to be happening for the 2.0 Legacy Builder. All right, launch. So you definitely want to get in this thing.
So excited to launch. So we pay attention to you guys. We do. And we're super excited to launch in March Legacy 2.0. Okay. I'm telling you guys, we're taking the Legacy Builder program to a completely new level where you guys are going to have a new marketing website. That is so awesome. We're looking at really standing out. I can't share with you yet until I have the rest of the details with this. It's something that is going to make people so excited. You're going to have new website, you're going to have new marketing pages, but what we're adding, we're going to stand out. I'm talking like it's going to be awesome. And not only are we going to stand out when we launch this, but it's going to help people be able to market easier. I'm so excited. So anyway, we're working on it. So just be prepared for Legacy 2.0 in March. And yes, that's all the programs. Launchpad, have a new marketing campaign. The passing, everything will. The website is amazing. A lot of testimonials are going to be on it, not just written, a lot of like testimonials of people inside the community. So super excited. The marketing pages, the new pages to capture leads are so good. We're just really going to raise the standard, and we're really going to show people, you know, what we've done. I mean, you guys, $29 million in 10 months. That is like unheard of, right? And a community of 50,000 people in 2 years is just insane. But this is just the beginning, right? And so 2.0 is coming. And so we just have a lot of new training to do, and this new little edge that we're adding It's going to make us really stand out. I mean, we're standing out now because we're about the only master resale rights company that still gives 100% profit, but we're adding something to that to really stand out and really look more professional. So excited about that.
So here are some of the updates. I took some notes, right? So new website, brand new website. Okay, brand new website. And they showed a sneak peek of that. Some new capture pages, guys, brand new. They're going to also have this new PDF guide that we're going to be able to include in our email automations. Like the first email, when people opt into our new capture pages, they check their email. There's going to be this nice PDF in there, like a get started PDF, and it's going to include video testimonies. It's really, really nice. Again, they showed us a sneak peek. I'm excited. I can't wait to get mine set up. All right. So that's going to be there. They're going to also include some new emails. Okay. We're going to have some brand new emails. I want to say, was it 30? Did she say 30 emails? I think she said 30 new email automations, I believe, as well. The new PDF, I mentioned that. They're going to start what they call, it's going to be 30 days of 3 to 5 minute videos, daily videos. It's going to give you guys, it's like content, right? So you're going to be able to create video structure. They're going to have a vault with this done for you content in it. So all this is going to be coming about with this new Legacy Builder 2.0. Super excited about what it's going to be bringing, guys. It's a new look. A new facelift. It's been a year now. So what the owner has done is taken a lot of feedback from the members and kind of put some of this stuff together. So again, if you are not in this program, digital marketing program for 2025, I highly recommend you check it out. All right. 100% commissions, step by step, what you need to do every day. This is the only program that I know, that I'm aware of, where the owner is in here every day providing daily videos 7 days a week. All right. Telling you what to do, guys. Okay. Then having weekly webinars. Then having the replays of those webinars. I mean, the training is second to none. You can't get any better than this. If you really want to learn the skill of, well, how do I make money online? How do I put this thing on autopilot? What should I be doing every day? I need a step-by-step blueprint. Here it is, www.coffeeandcoins.info. This is the program. All right. So those are some just basics of it. But a lot of new updates. Okay. Mainly, I'm excited about a new website. That's a new face and some brand new capture pages. And they look amazing. Let me tell you, I've seen them. So go check it out. Meanwhile, let's go over here. This is one of the capture page systems that I'm using here. But this will tell you everything that's included. This Legacy Builder program is amazing. It's 4 programs, guys, that you can select from. You can get in where you fit in, all right? Well, where I am is the $900 program. I'm all in. So I actually have access to the Launchpad, the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, the Digital Mastery, okay? And, of course, the Legacy program. So that's 4 programs, okay, that you can get access to that will teach you how to make money online step by step. All right, here's what's included. All of this is included. Creating your own digital products. Okay, of course, you can resell this program, but they show you how to create your own digital program. How about that? Preparing for course creation. How to teach inside your course. All of this. Launching your own course. Scaling your business. Bonuses, of course. You're going to be a part of a community. It's over 50,000 folks in there. We'll go over to the community in a second. Introduction to Passive Revenue Freedom Machine. How you can earn residual income. All of that's in this program. 6 figures to 6 months. Building a recurring income stream. Affiliate marketing and partnerships. Email marketing and list building. how to make 100% profit from other people's products. That's what we do, okay? As a digital marketer, that's what I've been doing for over 10 plus years, reselling and partnering with other companies or vendors to resell their program. They've done all the work. All I've got to do is promote it and earn 100% commissions. So having the master resale rights to do that. Finding your ideal customer, okay? Why does this matter? How to track your perfect customer, discovering your perfect customer, mastering storytelling and social media and video content, building a strong brand identity. Discovery method. Here are ways to market the program. Copy and pasting free ads, TikTok strategy, YouTube, Reels, Stories, going live, Pinterest strategy. All of that is included in the Legacy Builder program. All right, so you can go here and find out how to automate your online business, how to post free ads on the internet, how to set up your social media, okay? Free marketing funnel to automate your business, step-by-step tutorials and templates, how to run your business on a free platform, including the sales page template and email automations. Now, what you're looking at here is a third-party system that I'm using, but I'm going to include the link, which is the copypastemethod.com. Go there and get the free system. Matter of fact, again, you're going to be able to get this new 2.0 system. Okay, but the system I'm using right here is the Simple Digital Success Funnel. But here, you've got 4 programs, guys, on how to earn 100% profit, $900, $600, $300, and $100 commissions instantly, any way you want. Every program gets access to the digital growth community, a global network of online entrepreneurs. You can work this business from anywhere in the world as long as you got a Wi-Fi connection and a smart device. All right. So there's people in this community from all over the world. Okay. This is a global opportunity. So it doesn't matter where you are. All right. So when you purchase your program, you're going to become a member of the community. So let's go over here and take a look. Like I said, we've got over, I want to say 50,000 folks now. Let's take a look here. Let's go over to, 50,000 members, guys. Shout out to the digital growth community. The other thing that I love about this program is everything you need is right here. As you can see, I just clicked on the tab called Classroom. In the classroom, look at everything you get. Getting started training, digital growth ecosystem. They've got the 90-day business growth sprint, mindset training, tech calls. This company provides weekly technical calls for technical issues. Let's say you're trying to set up something in your system. Guess what? They're going to have live tech calls that you can actually get on. Get your questions answered. And if you can't, guess what? They have the replays. And if you can't get your question answered there, you can reach out to the community, guys. Okay? They have technical support here. You also have here free webinars. Okay? They have weekly webinars. They record them. So if you can't actually attend, you can go here and check out the replays over here. And then the free webinar details are here. Social media training, 6 figures in 6 months, live training, online network marketing event. I mean, everything you need is right here at your fingertips. And if you can't find it in those tabs, guess what? You can go here in this search bar and type what you're looking for to get your answer. Okay? If that doesn't work, guess what? You can come back after you do all that, all right? Because you want to check your resources first. If you can't find it there, come over here to the community and type your whatever it is that you're inquiring about. And you got a community of 50,000 people. Someone will reach out. Okay? So, wonderful program. Let's take a look at our calendar here. I want to say tomorrow we have a webinar. What is tomorrow? 12 o'clock we have a free webinar presentation. Okay? So that you can check this thing out and get your questions answered from the owner of the program. All right? Great program. I'm super excited to to be a part of it. And again, they are celebrating at the end of this month 1 year anniversary. All right, so check it out. Let's go down here and see. Let's look at the different programs. Again, get in where you fit in, right? So we come here, let's see. Hold on. All right, so what we want to do is you want to come to this page right here, Coffee and Coins. Click here, opt in, right? You're going to come over here and check out the program. All right, watch this video right here, 100% commission, step-by-step blueprint. It explains it, this video. Watch it. All right, simple digital business. Get started. Pick one of the digital programs that you want to get started in. All right, you can get started, guys, for as low as $100. It'll be $129. $100 for your product, which is the launch pad. Let's get down here to it. All right. You get all these bonuses right here, by the way. I'll let you check that out at your leisure. But right here, check it out. Launchpad, $100. One time. There's no monthly fees with this program. You're going to pay $100 for your Launchpad. $29 goes to the company for the website. All right. Every time you sell this Launchpad from your website, you make $100 instantly to your account. Okay. It includes free done-for-you sales funnel, products, emails, ads, and more. Okay, you still get the funnel, emails, all that for $129. All right, but if you want to have 2 income streams, you get the passive daily pay blueprint. It's $329. That will include the launch pad, right? The $300 and $100 commissions. You get both of these programs. Okay, with this one, you'll be able to earn $300 over and over and over and over and over, guys. Okay, when folks come to your website and purchase this. If you want 3 income streams, get the digital mastery. Then you'll be able to earn $600, $300, and $100. All right, the digital mastery is going to include all 3 of those. All right, if you want to go fast with your dream life, unlock 6 figures in 6 months, the digital mastery. Okay, of course, it gives you more training, and of course you can earn more. Now if you want to go all in and get all 4 programs and be able to earn $900 commissions, $900 plus $29 for your website. Okay, doesn't matter which one of these you select, it's going to be one-time payment of the $29, one-time payment of the purchase price of that program. But if you go all in, now you own all 4. You leave no money on the table. Okay. And that's the one that includes the interactive training, the Legacy Builder program. All right, guys. So go check it out. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Come here and check out the Legacy Builder program. I can't say enough about it. I'm excited to see what the 2.0 is going to include. I'm going to be setting mine up as soon as we get the green light, and I will be showing you guys that. So stay tuned. If you're already in the program, please go into the community, check it out, get the replay, and be ready to set yours up as well. All right, so click this green button if you're ready to roll. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.